Hello, welcome to my Blender tutorial for how to make digital camo. As you can see, I've got a plane with my camo set up on it, and I've got a camera looking down on it. Right, so we're going to move over to the shading tab, and this is it in a nutshell. As you can see, it's a little customizable. You can make some slight adjustments to it, do what you want, scale it, things like that. Turn the exponent up, whatever you want to do. Basic stuff. Right, so let's make a new material. And you get your principled BSDF in there. Right, so the first thing you want to do is add a color ramp. Add it in there, connect it to base color, and then just add in a few points and change it to constant. Make some adjustments, and let's add some colors in there. Let's have a dark green, an olive type color, so maybe something like that. Let's have a brown. That will do. And let's just round it off with a solid black color. Okay. Add a Voronoi texture. Add it in and connect the color to the factor. As you can see, you get a bit of a camouflage-esque pattern going on. So we change these attributes to 4D, smooth F1, and you can use any of these. I'm going to use Minkowski, and it looks a bit scuffed at the minute. Just turn the exponent up till you get something you like. Turn up the scale a bit as well. Mess with the time. You can change the smoothness as well if you want. And if you want to mess around the colors, you can just move that like that. Maybe you want a bit more brown, maybe you want a bit more blacks. You want a little less green. Whatever you want. Something like that. Okay, so before we continue, go to Edit and Preferences. And you want to enable Node Wrangler. So, Edit, Preferences, Node Wrangler. Okay, so with the Voronoi texture selected, press Ctrl T, and you'll get these two things here, texture coordinate and mapping. Delete the mapping, we don't need it, and put the UV on the vector. This also works with object, but it does change the scaling a bit. So we'll use UV for now. Add a vector math node. Pop it in there and change it to snap. It's going to look like that for a minute. We need to adjust the increment, so add a value node and connect that up to the increment. As for our value, set it to 0.05, and you'll get the desired effect you're looking for. You can make some slight adjustments to this. You can make it 0.6 if you want to make it bigger, or 0.04 if you want to make it smaller. But that's the essence of what is here. Just to make a point, if you do connect the object node, you will need a bigger number, so maybe something like 0.1 or 0.2 or whatever you wish, essentially. And you can also change the scales here as well. Turn your exponent up or down or whatever you wish. You get the point. And because you have the principal BSDF, you can also change the roughness, the metallic nature of it if you want. I don't have it really set here, but yeah, you can't really tell here, but it will do whatever you would need to do. I couldn't find a tutorial for this when I was trying to make something like this, so I made my own. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like what I do, I have a Twitch channel, twitch.tv/sergeantadman. I'll put a link on screen. If you can figure out an even better way of doing this, let me know. But thank you for watching, and have a nice day.